Rebuilding California using traditional construction methods would take many years. This is where modular construction changes everything. While the site is being cleared and prepared, homes are already being built, indoors, in a factory. Site prep and home construction happen at the same time. That alone cuts the timeline in half. And because they are built indoors, there are no weather delays, no rain, no mud, no frozen ground, just consistent, quality-controlled production. When the site is ready, the modules arrive. In a single day, a home can be set on its foundation and weather-tight. Within months, not years, a family can move back into a brand new, code-compliant home. This is not just about speed. It is about giving families their lives back. Faster about rebuilding communities before they scatter. California will face more wildfires, but with modular construction, recovery does not have to take a lifetime. Modular construction, buildings hope, faster, for California, and for every community that needs to rebuild.